At this point I put the gizzards. I mix them well to cover it with the sauce. Add some salt. I add some water. The amount of water you add is how thick or how thin you would like the sauce to be. I close the lid again. I put on high and I cook it for 10 minutes. Then I check if the gizzards are cooked. If you are cooking in a regular casserole, it will take more time, and then you have to smash the onions to make it a smooth sauce. Otherwise the end result will be the same. I checked after 10 minutes, it was not cooked. I put another 10 minutes to cook in the pressure cooker. Without pressure cooker, this chicken gizzard will need approximately 45 minutes to cook. It is cooked. At this point, we put the chopped cilantro and just bring it to a boil. You can serve this dish with rice or eat it with just bread. Don't forget to comment, to rate and subscribe. I'm Mariette. See you next time.